What's up 365 All-Stars, it's your boy Ollie Ace here. So I'm shooting this video because I've had so many people reach out to me with regard to the changes and with regard to the compensation plan. So what I'm hoping to do in this video is address a few concerns, but I'm hoping by the end of this you guys are going to feel a lot better about the changes that are happening, and you're going to have a plan in terms of what do you do now. So as everyone knows out there, I've made it no secret, 365 as a team, we've always been about promoting the value of Builderall. Okay, so it's never been about the business proposition and the business opportunity within Builderall. Even though that was part of the package, we would never lead with that. And I think this is where a lot of affiliates outside 365, and with some affiliates within 365, is finding a struggle, because they came into Builderall hoping that this was a money-making opportunity, and this is what they were selling, this is what they were leading on. Now obviously with the changes to that, where we're not able to promote or sell the business opportunity within Builderall, people are feeling lost. They are feeling like they've been cheated. You got to look at the bigger picture, guys. Okay, I have always been a strong advocate for the platform. Okay, and like I said, we've always, and when I say we, I mean the team, we should have always looked at the business opportunity as a bonus. All right, we should never have led with that. And if you are, or if you have been, this is why you're in the situation now where you're thinking, damn, what do I do now? All right, it's been taken away from me. I've been doing this for X amount of months, and now I don't know what to do. So I'm hoping that I'm going to help you along with that in terms of being able to reframe and being able to go out there and still come out strong. All right, and the one thing that I wanted to clarify is that Builderall 3.0 is going to be released on July the 4th, and with that there are going to be many enhancements, many changes to the platform. And when I say changes, I mean improvements and additions in terms of the tools as well. So it's a win-win situation, because for us it means that when we're promoting Builderall as a platform, we've got a whole load of bells and whistles that we can shout out about. All right, so that's a great thing. And I'm not going to go into too much detail in terms of what those additional features are going to be, but you're going to have tools like Canvas that's going to be built within Builderall. You're going to have some improvements done to the checkout, where it's now going to enable you to put together affiliate programs of your own. All right, so again, that's a great addition. You're also going to have improvements made to the website builder, and a whole load of bunch of other stuff, which is really exciting. So that's something to look forward to. Now, how do we address the now? How do we go forward in terms of promoting Builderall? Because again, you guys who are promoting Builderall as a money-making system are kind of lost now. Okay, so what I'm going to go through quickly, okay, is basically a way that you can now promote Builderall and also feel comfortable about doing it. Now, the way that 365 have been promoting Builderall, as I said before, it has never been about promoting it solely on the fact that it can be a money-making business, okay? But as Eric has voiced out, and as a lot of people have voiced out, it should never have just been that on its own, okay? It should have always been about the tools, about the platform, about how it can improve an existing business, how it can basically assist those who are looking to start a business and give their business digital presence. That's what it's always been about. So, why are we here? Why have Builderall made this sudden move? Well, first off, it's not sudden, okay? This is something that's been poisoning Builderall for quite some time now. Builderall was never supposed to come across as a money-making program, because with that is a stigma, and that stigma is that it is seen as an MLM, which has obviously got some negative connotations attached to it. It's seen as a Ponzi scheme. It's seen as a pyramid scheme. And if you think about it, when you're promoting Builderall in that way, you're coming across a whole load of objections that really you shouldn't be coming across, because it, you know, it basically puts the reputation of Builderall, you know, it compromises the reputation. And this is what was happening. The reputation of Builderall was slowly being poisoned, and it made it harder for those people that are, you know, genuinely trying to promote the platform and the tools. It just made it that much more difficult. So now that that's been taken away, those people that have been promoting Builderall as a platform, as a professional tool, are now flourishing. They're up here now, they're on a high. But for those people that have been promoting it as a money-making business, they're down here, they're lost. You know, a lot of you are contemplating of leaving if you haven't already. And to be quite honest, you need to adjust. If you believe in the opportunity of Builderall, then you're still going to be here, and this is going to be useful. So enough of that. What I wanted to say is that when you're promoting Builderall, you need to think about how can you monetize it, similar to how you were monetizing it before. Because if we isolate it, right, you were looking at Builderall as a money-making system. You're looking at it as in terms of being able to make money with the platform. Well, that hasn't been taken away. You can still do that, all right? It's just about positioning it to your customers the right way. Now, how do you do that? Well, it's simple. Okay, so for a lot of you, I'm hoping you would have, you would be familiar with the kind of tools that Builderall offers. So my recommendation would be to maybe pick on one or two of those tools, okay, and get a good understanding of how they work, and then promote those tools. All right. Now, the reason why I recommend this as being a good idea is that you won't overwhelm yourself. You won't feel that you need to know the ins and outs of Builderall and every single tool within the platform, because you don't. All right. For me, you know, what is great about Builderall and what a lot of businesses can relate to are tools like the website builder. All right, how you can drag and drop, and how it's easy to use, and how you can use a whole load of pre-made templates. Okay, those are the advantages of having a website builder, and a lot of businesses will be able to relate to that tool. The other tool that is in demand right now is the sales funnels, because as you know, you've got ClickFunnels. They're doing their thing. You know, they're promoting their funnel hacks and all that kind of stuff. You know, you can go head on head with that. All right, because remember, Builderall has a sales funnels tool as well. All right. And you can also promote it because it's at that great, not only does it give you great value, but you know, it's a lot better in terms of value in comparison to ClickFunnels, right? So I was very careful about how I phrase that, because it's not all about price. It's about working in the value, making sure that the person you're speaking to understands where they can get the value, and then promote it that way. Now, I know to a lot of you that just sounded, that's kind of sounding like gibberish, and it does take practice. And this is why I'm spending a lot of time with my team now in terms of, like, you know, how can we best fine-tune the way that we're promoting it. And if you've been promoting it just solely as a money-making business, you know, how can we now flip that on its head and put the tools at the forefront, and then offer the compensation plan as a bonus? All right, so that's the way that you can tackle that. So it's not about not promoting the fact that you can make money off the affiliate program. It's just making sure that you're not promoting solely on that program alone. All right, and I think that's what a lot of people need to understand. The other question that I'm getting from a lot of people, not only inside the team but outside the team, is, you know, what's the point of purchasing the $49.90 package if I can be an affiliate for free if I join the $9.90 package or the $29.90 package? Now, the main difference is that you got to remember that as a new affiliate coming in to Builderall, okay, if you're looking to promote Builderall, you need to acquire 140 points per month, every month, in order to be able to get paid commissions. All right, so if you're coming in at the $9.90 package, all right, you need to obtain 140 points before you get that commission. All right, you need to achieve 140 points. So it would make more sense to focus on selling the $49.90 package, because you know, if you either purchase that yourself or you sell that package, you will automatically be eligible to be paid your commissions, because you would have achieved 147 points, which makes you eligible. So that's the first advantage. That's why you'd purchase or sell the Builderall business for $49.90 as opposed to the £9.90 package. Okay, because if you sell that and you're only focusing on that, you need to sell at least you need to sell at least 4 of those packages, 4 times $9.90, in order to be entitled to get paid those commissions. All right, so that's the major change there. So yes, you can join Builderall for free. You can come in at any package, but in order to be eligible to be paid those commissions, you need to achieve 140 points. And the only way you can do that is by selling multiple packages, or just selling one Builderall business minimum per month, and you're getting your commissions. It's as simple as that. The other question that I'm getting is, you know, do I need to purchase a package to be, you know, an affiliate? No, you don't. You don't need to be. You don't need to purchase a package. You can just promote the tool. Now, a lot of people are asking, well, you know, what's the advantage of buying the package? Well, the advantage of buying any of the packages is the fact that you have access to the tools. Okay, I don't know about you, but if you are recommending someone Builderall, wouldn't you want to have access to the tools? For new affiliates coming in, you know, people that just want to promote Builderall, you know, wouldn't it make more sense to have access to the tools and understand how the platform works? You know, it's like this, you know, it's like when you go to watch a movie. Okay, you can't recommend a movie to someone else if you haven't seen it, could you? So you got to think of it that way. That's, you know, that's how you need to approach it. So if you're thinking to yourself, well, I don't feel like I can promote this because people are just going to want it for free, they don't need to plug into the platform. Well, it's up to you to position it in the right way. How can someone effectively promote the tool if they haven't used the tool or don't have access to understand the tool? Okay, I'm not saying it's impossible, but what I'm saying is it's not the most effective way. Okay, and a lot of this negativity is coming from you guys. It's coming from the people that are looking to promote Builderall, because it's a change. It's coming out of your comfort zone. You know, all this time that you've been promoting Builderall as a money-making system, now you have to take another angle at it and start promoting it as a tool, which is what it should have been done in the first place. But there's ways around it. Okay, there's ways around it. And for 365, I'm here to coach, guide, and support you so that, you know, like I said, this is the way that we've been promoting. This is the way I've been promoting since I started Builderall. All right, so it's no change for me. All right, no change at all. Okay, there's no change to the commission structure, because the commission structure will remain the same. It will remain the same for us. It doesn't, you know, the new commission structure in terms of how that works now won't affect us. Okay, but once you leave Builderall, okay, and you stop paying for your membership, and then you decide at a later date that you re-sign and rejoin, you are going to be treated as a new affiliate, which means that you are going to experience the new changes. And for those of you that don't know, as a new affiliate, okay, just coming in, you need to establish that trust again with Builderall. So it means that when you start earning commissions, your commissions are going to be held for 35 days. All right, because, you know, Builderall needs to establish that trust with you to see whether you are fake, to see whether you're a fraudster, to see whether you've actually got those funds. So they're going to hold your money for 35 days. All right, and you've got to go through that. So for those of you that are looking to leave Builderall thinking this is not for me, all right, that's your choice. However, okay, this is an excellent move on behalf of the business, because, all right, it means that we are now sustainable. It means that we are now 100% legal in all states all over the world. All right, and that's massive, and that's the kind of business you want to work for, right? Anyway, guys, you know, I'm hoping that you can see that this is a great thing for us. It's a great move, and there is help and guidance and support for you guys, especially for Team All-Stars, 365 All-Stars. You've got support here. All right, so use us, you know, take responsibility for your success, for your development. Yes, okay, it may have put a slight, you know, fork in your road, all right, but there are ways around it. Don't give up, stay with it, and myself and the rest of the team are here to support you. All right, so keep on with it, stay lit, and I'll see you at the top.